Hi there, happy fall! As you can see, I'm sharing a sweater pumpkin DIY and I hope you enjoy. The material list is pretty short, kind of like the one from my last video, except we're using sweater sleeves instead of fabric for these. Of course, some pillow filler, scissors, string of your choice and needle, glue gun or adhesive, and a stem. I bought these from Dollar Tree. The first thing I did was turn my sleeve inside out. Then I tied one end of it, which is going to create the bottom of the pumpkin. I used jute because I already had it from a previous DIY, but you can use any type of string. Once you've tied the bottom, we're going to turn it right side out and start stuffing it. I started filling in around the knot on the inside to automatically create the indentation on the bottom of the pumpkin. Once it was filled to my liking, I cut off the excess, leaving enough to fold over the top. I then started folding inward, creating small pleats. You can create your pleats in any direction or pattern you want. Once your pleats are done and the top part is closed, we're going to insert our needle with our thread and start creating the pumpkin ribs. I don't make the ribs too tight, but enough for them to be noticeable, and as long as my pumpkin looks plump and fluffy, I'm pretty content. So after that's done, I just tie off the end and then it's time to glue my stem on. I rearranged the ribs on mine, and that's it. We have our pumpkin. I tried this with different sweater sleeves and sizes, and they all turned out just as pretty for a fraction of the cost of those at the department store. Let me know if you tried them, or actually you can tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see how yours turned out. Thanks for watching!